Whoa, see that? Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah.
Sweet me, Julia!
Whoa, that was massive.
Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah.
Sure did.
Whoa, did you see that?
It's probably raining heaps on the hills, eh?
Yeah, I'd say it would be. Whoa. You missed that one.
I
Yeah.
saw it.
I'm talking to Shadow.
This is exactly 2 years to the day since the big earthquake. 4th of September 2012.
Yeah.
Actually, they got a massive storm there. Cold, eh?
You feeling the cold?
Yeah, can you not feel that?
You mean it's good too cold then?
I think it is cooling down, I think. I reckon it's coming this way, this storm.
Yeah. It could be like the biggest snowstorm we've had.
Looks like it's going that way.
Shadow, come.
Oh, wow! Did you see that?
Yeah.
Now it's starting to rain. Come on, Puppy, we better come inside because it's going to rain now. Come on.
Puppy. Sorry.
Wow.
This has been a rock yet. Come inside. Shadow, come.
Don't you think you should come inside, Benji?
Probably.
Shadow, come.
Whoa.
This is where it could come. It could strike this.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying.
TV aerial.
Yeah. So are you standing right out there on purpose?
No, because I want to, because I'm videoing.
It's drawn a strange colour, hasn't it?
It has.
I'll be back out and then I'm just going to the toilet.
I don't know, it's like down here. Shadow, up here. Good.
Is that better, Maggie?
Yep, it is.